Hello YouTube, it's Chris here. Welcome back for a new video. Today's video is about fixing an LED 55-inch TV screen. So you come back home, you find your 55-inch TV screen crashed, kids playing with a rubber ball, and even a rubber ball can smash the TV. So I get home, I saw a small hole at the top of the TV and then some cracks going over the right of the TV. So I tried to fix it because I saw some black dots on the top of the TV, so I was reckon if I keep pushing on it, everything on the top will be black. And first of all, when I come home, you got image on the TV. Then when I keep pressing on the top of the TV, those black dots go down vertically, and now my TV is off completely. Still have sun though, you can see the sun on the TV is still on, but you can't see nothing on the TV. So I press the top of the screen, the side of the screen, and now the TV is off. So there's no replacement for 55-inch LED TVs. You can find replacement for monitors, laptops, smartphones, but there's no way that you can fix a 55-inch LED screen TV. So now my position is to go online and search for the new TV. But how do you go online and search for a new TV when your kids can smash the new TV also? So now I find myself in a position to choose between a Samsung, LG or Sony TV. So put some comments down below which one from these three, Samsung, LG or Sony, you think is the best TV to buy. So when I turn on the TV, as you can see, it's all stripes and you can't see nothing. So all I try is all these black dots on top of the TV to make a curved line on top and a curved line, and maybe I still can see something on it. But now there's no way to fix a 55-inch LED screen TV. All you have to do is to buy another one. But now if you have kids and they play in the living room, and I think the better choice until they get bigger is to buy a cheap TV between 300 and 500 quid. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I wish you all the best. I'll see you soon.